Bronson Arroyo, his 10th start. Throw out these numbers. Since he's been healthy this month, he's been a very different pitcher than the one we saw in April. Got him. It's on me. I didn't come through. Little nubber in front of the plate. Miggy pounces on it, and Arroyo strands two.
Signs so they don't steal anything out there at second base.
Chris Owings, nice flip to Aaron Hill, and the Diamondbacks turn the double play. Double play ball. Owings, Hill, Goldie, they roll it. Double play ball. Chavez, Hill, Goldschmidt, and they turn two. Montero, who's got all these strikeouts, and his pitch count is way up there. Daniel Murphy.
See how Bronson Arroyo goes about it here. Never mind.
First pitch, soft fly into left for Marte. 4 double plays behind Bronson Arroyo.